Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic. It might sound like a dream, but with the right mindset and strategies, it's possible. First, develop a billionaire mindset by believing in yourself and your ideas. Billionaires think big, set high goals, and stay committed. So start by reading books, watching motivational videos, and learning from successful entrepreneurs. Next, find your passion and strengths, combining them to create something unique, whether it's coding, content creation, fashion, or any other niche. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be. So research and learn continuously by studying market trends, analyzing successful businesses, and staying updated with new technologies through online courses, webinars, and workshops. Start small but think big by beginning with a small project or business idea, validating your concept with feedback and making improvements. Leverage the power of the internet by creating engaging content, building an online presence, and connecting with your audience on platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. Network and collaborate by building relationships with like-minded individuals and mentors and reaching out for opportunities and partnerships. Stay persistent and resilient, joining online communities because success doesn't happen overnight. Learn from failures, stay focused, and keep moving forward. Becoming a billionaire is about creating value, making an impact, and pursuing your dreams. You could be the next teenage billionaire. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome content. Remember, see you in the next video.